That's pretty. Oh, look at this. Get out and ride. Hello, amazing people. So as you can see, I am out and about. Beautiful day, and I thought I would head back down to Capitol Forest. So this is the Rock Candy entrance. So right off the highway, it's Highway 8. I'm going to get myself situated. Bring my thermals underneath. Now, it's still chilly enough that I'm going to keep them on for now. I'm going to change them out later, but I will see you on the trail. Alright, well this is the A line. It's getting off to a pretty good start so far. So the plan is to take this most of the way back, and then it cuts off, I think it's like A5000, and that will take us over to, I think it's called the KC line, which looks kind of interesting, you know, squiggly anyway. And that will take us kind of back out, and from there we'll see. I'm kind of ahead of schedule, I think. I don't have a schedule, but I'm, you know, further along than I originally anticipated. And then maybe we can hit some side trails. There's plenty of them. It's never-ending side trails. Oh, look at that. Love me some trees. This is cool. I like this. It's got enough wiggly squiggly to be interesting and fun. Both in the actual road surface itself and the path that it is taking. Very nice. Some of those are bigger than others. Man, it's still chilly though. You can still feel it's an edge. I'm not uncomfortable, like, oh my god, I'm freezing cold, but it's, I'm not toasty, put it that way. I am not toasty. Wow, that's a pothole. Whoa, okay, wait a minute, I think I'm supposed to go up that hill. Oh, no, wait, hang on a second, let's, what do we got here? Let's hit. I don't know. Is that a new, or is that the old? Up that way. I guess I'll go look here, and okay. All right, let's continue this way. Maybe this goes through, maybe it ends and I have to go that way, I don't know. I guess we'll see. I don't know. That's what these explorations are for. It's getting a little bit more rugged. What do they call it? Primitive? Oh yeah. Still going, we're still good. I say that like being on a line on a map makes it good. Could just be washed out. Whoa. Let's go around that one. This is kind of getting cool. Whoa! McJesus! McJesus? Is that the new church? Welcome to McJesus. What would you like? Oh, I guess they weren't kidding. Okay, well, now, yeah, because there's these roads that cut over, but I'm not confident or comfortable that they go over. I mean, do they go to where I want to go? I don't know if they do. We'll go the new way, which I guess future A-line is present A-line. Wow, it's kind of a view. Old nuclear, you probably can't see it on this. I'm sure I'm pointing it out. You're never going to see it on this camera. Cooling towers from old nuclear plant. Got to get those up and running again. There's no way we're going to have enough electricity for all them electric vehicles. Okay, so left turn, and then I think it's straight uphill. Wow. Yes, it is. This road looks like it's been here a long time, so this whole future A-line on this map makes me wonder how old this map is. Look at that color. Reminds me of Island ADV up in Canada. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so maybe if I had come up, I could have done the cut right here. And, you know, it's not on the map, so... Actually, it is on the map. I just wasn't paying close enough attention. It's alright. Ooh, look at those clouds. Let's see where we're at. Yep, that's a little arrow. Right turn. That keeps us on the A line. Okay, so we got a little ways to go. Yep, but it is the 5,000, so very, very good. I mention how much fun I'm having? This is great. Alright, well, got my new, oh man, got my new battery in. Summer gloves, baby. Alright, a little bit of snack, a little bit of water. Left. Absolutely love the forest. Let's see, let's put this on 3, we'll try that. I want it to be warm in summer so badly. I mean, I don't mind when it's cool. You get to wear some clothes and take them off as they adjust. That's a pretty good way to go about it, as opposed to being stuck with minimum clothing when you leave your house, and if it gets warmer, you just get hotter. But some nice warm air just sounds pleasant, you know? I don't know, right here, I think. Yep, right here. Yeah. Yeah. A little different than my last couple vids up here in the Capitol Forest, where I was hitting every offshoot I could find, just exploring everything. But I've actually enjoyed this. It's sort of fun scouting the entire main track. Obviously, knowing that there are 1,000 side tracks, but you know, something a little different. Tracks, people just jamming. Okay, looks to me like we are here. Gonna guess this is the road. Turn right. Howdy. And straight uphill, I guess. Wow. Like some bedded rock action. Wow. Keep on climbing. It's not a particularly stressful climb. You know what I mean? I mean, just look at it. It's a road, right? But it's fun. It's nice having something a little different. The bike behaves differently. You can hear the motor working. Gippity doo dah. Oh, what do we got? A whole bunch of folk. Looks like a bunch of push bike folk. Very cool. Oh wow. It's like mountain bike. Ah, there's some kind of an event, it looks like. Ah, trail work. Excellent. Excellent. Very cool. So it's a bunch of, looks like, I'm guessing, mountain bike related folk working on the mountain bike related trails. Very cool. I'm gonna guess left. It's kind of what I was hoping for when I looked at this junction, byway, I don't know, whatever, connection. I'm sure there's a word for it. Now my grips are too warm because of all this nonsense. Ugh, fuck. Okay. Come on. Slip it. There it is. Success. I don't need these anymore. See what I mean? Maybe. Huh? So this just plonks me on another road. Right turn takes me away, left turn will take me back, probably where I was going to be anyway. Adventure! Well, here we go. Holy cow. I'm gonna point right down over here. Take a moment. Alright, change of plan. So, here's where we're at. And I was going to take this KC line down back to the highway here. And then thought maybe I would go and pop back off at Rock Candy, you know, as a maybe. What I think I'm going to do is head back up the hill. We just came down from there. Back up to that place where I was looking for seeing if there was a viewpoint. Turn left, and the road all the way down here looks like it intersects back with the B line, and then I could take it back out. So that would give us all of this to do instead of just doing that. I think that would be fun. So that's what we're gonna do. Get that sorted. Jeez. I mean, I do actually like having the map available. It's been really helpful. Like, for example, like what we just did. Man, I'm not a fan of dicking around with my faux fighter pilot interface. Whoa! Keep an eye out for anybody doing what I did. Nope. Alright. I guess left. Yeah, I think so. I don't think that really has a view out there. Looks similar to where we're at. Alright. It's where it is the one instance where having a drone is great. You can get that height that you want. You just, but there's no way I'm gonna start doing drone stuff for my videos. That's just so much work. Not to mention the move. Great. It's can't freaking tell. Straight across, probably. Or is it left turn? This can't be it, can it? I think it is that one. Up the hill. Jeez Louise, dude. So I think it's got to be that one, right? You know, some actual signage would be real handy. I don't think this is it either. Although this could be a cool road. No, this is not it either. I think it's down by where those dudes were. It just didn't look like it went through. Adventure. Adventures in U-turn. Yeah, it does. Looks like it goes, yeah, that's what it is. Oh, look at that. Here's your viewpoint. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna stop again. That's a little better photo. That's pretty. Okay. What a beautiful day. All right, that was a nice break. It's just beautiful. Absolutely. Well, I don't know about you, but I've been having a great day. It's been a great ride. I'm gonna go around this one. Wow. Yeah. At least there's no gravel, you know, all over it. Crown, though, I mean, a ridge, or I don't know what to call it. It's not really crown, I guess. The center of the road is this peak. And it just drops off to the edges. Golly. Just even prettier. This might be a great place to come up for a sunrise shoot. Although in the summer, sunrise is so early, it's just brutal. That's lots of dust. Sorry, I'm looking at those trees. No, I'm not gonna stop. Just tiptoe. So this is Beeline. I remember doing this not that long ago today. That probably would have been last video though for you guys. I went straight by. Trying to decide what I have at home to do. So from here I can definitely, like I said, jump off and find a few offshoots to do, even if they just go up and back or what have you. I took another thermal layer off and getting the trees in the shade, it's like brr. What are here? Dirt bike and duro bike. Yeah, dirt bike. Well, this has been a good day. Obviously broken up into 2 videos, so this has been a good half day. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed seeing some roads, seeing some scenery. Seeing scenery? Seen scenery, seen scenery, seen scenery. Alright, it's not good at all. Alright, I gotta decide what I want to do here. Because I could go straight back out here, or take that up there's a ways. Just for the, you know, just for S's and giggles. I don't think it doesn't really go anywhere. I don't, you know what I mean? It definitely goes around many places. I guess that could be fun just to go do it. Just to rip up there, rip down, and then get on the freeway. Oh, what do you think, BMR TV crew? All right, let's do it.